A lawsuit is highly likely, so says the attorneys representing the family of 2-year-old Zion Gastelum. He's that boy from Yuma we've been telling you so much about, who died shortly after a trip to a dental clinic in that city. ABC 15's Mike Pelton broke this story and has new information tonight.
At a minimum, it would be a wrongful death lawsuit based on the apparent medical negligence, and we're still investigating it, but the negligence that gave rise to Zion's death.
They are going to fight Zion Gastelum's death after treatment for cavities at Cool Smiles, leaving so many questions. According to a Yuma police report, Zion stopped breathing after undergoing anesthesia for crowns at this Cool Smiles in Yuma. Officers note in their report the dentist contradicted himself. The nurse told police she muted alarms on an oximeter, a device used to measure oxygen saturation, and the anesthesiologist telling officers he left the room 5 minutes after Zion went into recovery.
The mother's understanding and statement is that, when she was brought back to the room where Zion was, he was by himself.
Attorneys Michael Poli and Michael Ponzo of the Merlin Law Group also looking into this settlement between Benevis and its affiliate Cool Smiles and the Department of Justice. Just last month, the company agreeing to pay $23 million to settle allegations some Cool Smiles clinics performed unnecessary procedures, including crowns. Cool Smiles called it a voluntary settlement, disagreed with the allegations, but noted the cost and time of litigation.
So it looks like at this preliminary stage, Zion's death was related to the anesthesia, but that doesn't mean it's not also related to some of the other issues.
Caught in all of this is Zion's family, left to wonder why they have to talk about their little boy in the past tense.
The family has two basic issues. Obviously, there's the loss of their child, but they also have an interest in making sure that it doesn't happen to anybody else and making sure that the proper steps are taken so that their loss is the last loss.
Mike Pelton, ABC 15, Arizona.
This would not be the first wrongful death lawsuit filed against this clinic. Another family saying their 4-year-old child died after a trip to the clinic in 2016. So far, Cool Smiles is not responding to that attorney's claims, but you can find all of our Cool Smiles stories on abc15.com.